Hello everyone, welcome to Tungad online classes. Let's have next problem. Find the point on the curve y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. Y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is y is equal to x minus 11, right? Find the point on this curve at which tangent is y equal to x minus 11. This is equation of the tangent line and this is equation of the curve. Suppose this is given curve and this is a tangent line whose equation is y equal to x minus 11 and this is y equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5, right? We need to find a point on this curve whose tangent line is y equal to x minus 1, right? Differentiate with respect to x, then dy by dx equal to y differentiation dy by dx, then x cube differentiation 3x square minus 11. This is our dy by dx. Then slope of the tangent line is, already equation of the tangent is given. Slope of tangent is equal to, what is slope of this line? Slope of the tangent line, equation of the tangent line is given. Clearly it is like y equal to mx plus c form. Equation is of the form y equal to mx plus c. So in this case m value is 1 only. Means slope of the tangent line is 1. According to equation of the tangent line, slope of the tangent is 1. According to derivative, what is slope of the tangent line? According to derivative, slope of the tangent line is dy by dx, right? Means dy by dx equal to 1. What is dy by dx here? 3x square minus 11 equal to 1. Then 3x square is equal to 12. Then x square is equal to 4 and x equal to plus or minus 2, right? There are two possibilities. If x equal to plus 2, then what is y value here? Y is not 2, right? Plus or minus 2, once consider plus 2, once consider minus 2. Then it will be 2 cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5. That is 8 minus 22 plus 5, right? 13. Clearly we get 9 only. 8, 5, 13. 13 minus 22 is 9. Means one of the point is 2, 9. If you draw tangent line at this point, then clearly its equation is y equal to x minus 1. Then second case, if x equal to minus 2, then what is y value? Then y is equal to minus 2 cube minus 11 into minus 2 plus 5. It will be minus 8. This is plus 22 and this is plus 5. Means 22, 5, 27 minus 8, that is 19 only. means another point is minus 2 comma 19. Therefore points on curve are 2 comma 9 and minus 2 comma 19. These 2 points lie on the given curve, right? Next, next question. Find the equation of tangent line to the curve. I will write the question. Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve, tangent line to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0, right? Find the equation of tangent to this curve. Find the equation of tangent to this curve which is parallel to this line, right? What they have given? If you draw a tangent line to this curve which is parallel to this line, then find the equation of tangent line, right? Suppose it is given curve and draw a tangent line here. This is our tangent line, right? What they have given? One condition is given. Our tangent line is parallel to this line, right? And line equation is 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Tangent line and given lines are parallel. Then what is condition? Tangent line and given lines are parallel. Then slope of the tangent and slope of the given lines are equal, right? Clearly, according to given condition, tangent is parallel to this line. Once tangent is parallel to given line, slope of the tangent is same as slope of the given line. And already you know what is slope of the line, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, right? What is slope? If ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then what is its slope? Slope of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then slope is equal to slope of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Take this as a note. Slope is equal to, what is slope of this line? Slope of this line is minus a divided by b, right? Slope of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is minus a divided by b. Remember this formula, right? Means given that y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, this is given curve, means this is given curve, right? Y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. This is given curve and this is tangent line and this is given line. Tangent line parallel to this line. But what is our requirement? We need to find equation of this tangent line. For finding equation of the tangent line in the sense a straight line. Tangent means a straight line. For finding equation of the straight line, we need one point and its slope. Already slope is given, but we need one of the point. According to given condition, find one of the point on the curve. Differentiate with respect to x. On differentiation, we get dy by dx equal to 2x minus 2, right? Then what is slope of the given line? Slope of given line is equal to, what is slope of given line? Clearly it is like x plus by plus c equal to 0. Slope of the given line is of the form x plus by plus c equal to 0. So its slope is minus a by b. So slope of this line is minus a divided by b, right? Minus a means minus 2 divided by minus 1, that's equal to 2. This is slope of the given line. Then what is slope of the tangent line? Slope of tangent. Slope of the tangent is denoted with m1, that is equal to 2. Slope of the tangent line is same as slope of the given line. Why? Because because tangent line and given lines are parallel, right? According to given condition, slope of the tangent line is same as slope of the given line. Why? Because tangent line and given lines are parallel. Once two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. Now, slope of the tangent line is 2, and one more definition for slope is, slope of the tangent is dy by dx, means indirectly dy by dx equal to 2 only, because we need one of the point on this curve. Now we get slope of the tangent, but for finding equation of the tangent we need slope as well as one point. By using given condition, find one of the point on the curve. Dy by dx equal to, dy by dx is nothing but slope of the tangent line. Dy by dx is nothing but slope of the tangent line. It is one of the definition by using derivatives. Then dy by dx equal to, what is dy by dx here? And already we have m1 value, that is 2 only, and we have dy by dx, that is 2x minus 2, that's equal to 2. Then x equal to 2 only, right? Just simplify. Slope of the tangent line is same as slope of the given line. Why? Because tangent is parallel to given line. Then we get slope of the tangent. By using slope of the tangent, find one of the point on the curve by equating dy by dx to slope. Then if x equal to 2, then what is corresponding y value? Y is equal to, put x equal to 2 in given curve, that is 2 square minus 4 plus 7. Then y is equal to, it will be y equal to 7. means 2 comma 7 lie on curve 1, means we get 1 point, that is 2 comma 7, right? 2 square minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 get cancel, remains with 7. Now we use slope and point formula. Equation of the tangent, equation of tangent, equation of tangent formula, y minus y1 is equal to m1 into x minus x1. This point itself is x1 comma y1, right? This point is x1 comma y1. Then y minus y1 is equal to m1 into x minus x1. Now usual simplification, y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 4. Just rearrangement, send it to RHS. 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. This is equation of the tangent line. Using given condition, find its slope as well as one of the point on that curve. After finding slope and one of the point on that curve, just write equation of the tangent, right? Next question. Next question number 3. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve, tangent line to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is perpendicular, not parallel, which is perpendicular to the line, which is perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x equal to 13, right? What is given here? Find the equation of tangent line to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is perpendicular to this line, right? Our tangent line is perpendicular to the given line, right? In this case, what they have given is this is given line whose equation is 5y minus 15x equal to 13. Clearly given our tangent line is perpendicular to given line. Tangent line is perpendicular to given line. In this case also we need to find its slope and one of the point, then write its equation. Differentiate given curve with respect to x, then you get 2x minus 2 only. What is slope of the given line in this case? Slope of the given line, it is like x plus by plus c equal to 0. Slope is minus a divided by b. Coefficient of x is a. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A is coefficient of x, b coefficient of y, c constant term. In this case, coefficient of x is small a, coefficient of y is small b. So minus a divided by b. In this case, a value itself is minus 15, so we get 3. This is slope of given line. Then tell me slope of the tangent. Slope of tangent line. Slope of tangent line is taken as m1, and tangent line and given lines are perpendicular. Once two lines are perpendicular, then slope of one line is equal to negative reciprocal of slope of other line, or product of their slopes equal to -1. Therefore, -1 divided by slope of given line. Why? Because these two lines are perpendicular. Once two lines are perpendicular, then slope of one line is equal to negative reciprocal of slope of other line. In this case, one of the slope is known, other slope is -1 divided by slope of given line, means -1 divided by 3. This is slope of tangent line. Slope of tangent line -1 divided by 3. Now, according to given condition, dy by dx equal to m1 only. dy by dx is nothing but slope of the tangent line. Slope of the tangent line is nothing but m1. So, dy by dx equal to m1. m1 is nothing but -1 divided by 3. Now, 2x minus 2 is equal to -1 by 3. Just cross multiplication. 6x minus 6 is equal to -1. Then it will be x equal to 5 by 6. X equal to 5 by 6. Slope of the tangent is nothing but m1, and in this case m1 value is -1 by 3, and cross multiplication, then it will be 6x minus 6 equal to -1, then it becomes +5. 6x equal to +5 means x equal to 5 by 6. Then if x equal to 5 by 6, then what is y value here? Put x equal to 5 by 6 in this curve. Then 5 means 25 by 36 minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7. Just take LCM, then y is equal to 25 minus 10 into 6, because LCM is 36, plus 7 into 36, whole thing divided by 36. Then y is equal to 25 minus 60 plus 252. 36 sevens, 7 6 are 42, 4 carry 4, then 7 3s are 21 and 25. Whole thing divided by 36. After that y is equal to 250 minus 60, that is 190. 190 25 100 and 216, I think. Minus 60 here means minus 10, minus 50 plus 15. It is 15 here, 202 and 15, that is 7 1 217. 217 divided by 36, right? Means point is 5 by 6 comma 217 by 36. This is point. Already we have slope. Now use slope and point formula. After getting point, Write the equation of the tangent line. Y minus equation of the tangent, equation of tangent line, y minus y1 is equal to m1 into x minus x1, right? Then y minus, this point is our y1, y minus 217 divided by 36 equal to m1 value, that is minus 1 by 3 into x minus x1 5 by 6, right? Now usual simplification. Taking LCM, 36y minus 217 divided by 36 is equal to minus 1 divided by 3 into x, 6x minus 5 divided by 6. Then cross multiplication, 36y minus 217 is equal to minus 36, just cross multiplication, divided by 3 into 6 into 6x minus 5. It will be 2 only, means 36y minus 217 is equal to 12x minus 10 only. Send it to RHS. 12x minus 36y plus 207 is equal to 0. This is our required equation of the tangent line. In this case, first find slope of the tangent line using given condition. After getting slope of the tangent line, find one of the point on that curve, right? This is our required equation of the tangent line. Next, next question, find the equation of the normal to the curve. I will read the question. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6 which are parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. Question is, find the equation of the normals to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6 which are parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. Normal lines are parallel to this line, means tangents are perpendicular only. This is given curve, this is tangent line here, right? Then this is normal, otherwise you can take in this direction. Clearly it is perpendicular to tangent to the curve, then it is normal only. This is normal line. What they have given? Normal lines are parallel. Normal lines are parallel to this line. This is given line whose equation x plus 14y plus 4 equal to 0. Means normal lines are parallel. Normal line and given lines are parallel, right? According to given question, normal is parallel to this line. Normal line parallel to this line means clearly tangent is perpendicular to this line only. Tangent line and normal lines are perpendicular. Then this given line is also perpendicular to tangent. Take this as equation number 1. Y is equal to x cube, or directly differentiate given curve with respect to x. Then it will be dy by dx equal to 3x square plus 2. Right? Now write slope of given line. Slope of given line is equal to, what is slope of given line? Clearly it is like ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So slope is minus a divided by b. Minus 1 divided by 14 is slope of given line. Then what is slope of the tangent line? Otherwise slope of normal only. You can write slope of the normal. Slope of the normal line m2 is equal to, in this case what is m2 value? Slope of the normal line is same as slope of the given line. Why? Because normal line is parallel to given line. So slope of given line is same as slope of the normal line. So it will be minus 1 divided by 14. Then what is slope of the tangent line? Slope of tangent is equal to m1 is equal to, slope of tangent is equal to negative reciprocal of slope of the normal. Remember this formula, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Then m2 is equal to minus 1 divided by m1, and similarly m1 is equal to minus 1 divided by m2. Therefore minus 1 divided by m2, minus of minus, it will be plus. Slope of tangent line m1 is plus 14, right? According to definition of slope of the tangent, by using differentiation, slope of the tangent is nothing but m1 only. Then dy by dx equal to m1. What is m1 here? m1 is plus 14. Just equate dy by dx to 14. Then what is dy by dx in this case? 3x square plus 2. Then 3x square plus 2 is equal to 14. 3x square plus 2 is equal to 14. Then 3x square is equal to 12. Then x square equal to 4. Then x equal to plus or minus 2. In this case there exist 2 points. Means we need to find 2 normals. If x equal to plus 2, then what is y value? X equal to plus 2 means y is equal to 8 plus 4 plus 6. That's equal to, that is 18 only. Means that is 2 comma 18 is 1 point. Next, second case, if x equal to minus 2, then what is y value? Y is equal to minus 8. Minus 8 minus 4 plus 6. Means we get y is equal to minus 6 only. Minus to minus 6 means point is minus 2 comma minus 6. Now we have to write equation of the normals We have two normal lines in this case. 2 points means two normal lines are possible. At this point one normal line, at this point another normal line. Now write their equations. Already we have m2 value. In both the cases m2 is same only. Right? Now write equation of the normal. There are two normal lines at 2 comma 18 and at minus 2 comma minus 6. First case, first case at 2 comma 18. 2 comma 18 with slope, what is slope in this case? Minus 1 divided by 14. Now write the equation of the normal. Equation of the normal, y minus y1 is equal to m2 into x minus x1. Then y minus, what is y1 here? 18 is equal to, what is m2? Minus 1 divided by 14 into x minus x1. What is x1 in this case? 2 only. Now 14y into 18 into 14. 18 into 14 is equal to minus x minus of minus plus 2. Right? Next simplification. After simplification, 14y minus 252 is equal to minus x plus 2. Now take it into left side. Then x plus 14y minus 254. That's equal to 0. It is one of the equation of the normal line. We have one more normal line at this point. Now write its equation. At minus 2 comma minus 6 with m2 value same only, that is minus 1 divided by 14. Now equation of the normal, y minus y1 is equal to m2 into x minus x1. Y minus y1, in this case y1 is minus 6, so plus 6. That's equal to minus 1 divided by 14 into x minus, what is x1 here? Minus 2. So minus of minus, it will be plus. 14y 84. 84 is equal to minus x minus 2. Now take it into left side. Then x plus 14y plus 86 equal to 0. This is another equation. In this case there exist two normal lines. One is x plus 14y minus 254 equal to 0. Another one x plus 14y plus 86 equal to 0. Right? Next question. Next question. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to square root of 3x minus 2, which is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. It is one of the very important 3-mark question, right? Find the equation of tangent to this curve at which tangent is parallel to this line. Suppose this is given curve and this is tangent line. This is tangent line. What they have given? This tangent line is parallel to this line and whose equation is 4x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. In this case, indirectly slope of the tangent line is given. Because these two lines are parallel means slope of the given line is same as slope of the tangent line. Now our requirement is to find one of the point on that curve. After that, write its equation. This is given curve and take it as equation number 1. This is curve 1. This is the condition, right? First differentiate with respect to x. On differentiation, we get dy by dx. In this case, use chain rule. Outermost function is square root. Root differentiation 1 divided by 2 root 3x minus 2. After that, inner function differentiation 3 only. This is our dy by dx. Next, what is slope of the given line? Slope of given line is equal to, clearly it is like ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then its slope is minus a divided by b minus 2, that's equal to plus 2. Slope of given line is equal to 2. Then what is slope of the tangent line? Slope of the given line is 2 means slope of the tangent line is also 2. Why? Because these two lines are parallel. Therefore, slope of tangent is equal to m1 is also 2. Slope of the tangent line is 2. Why? Because tangent line and given lines are parallel. Once two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Right? This is slope of the tangent line. Now, according to derivatives, what is slope of the tangent line? Slope of the tangent line is nothing but dy by dx. In this case, what is dy by dx? 3 divided by square root of 3x minus 2. That's equal to m1. What is m1 here? 2. Now cross multiplication. 3 is equal to 4 into square root of 3x minus 2. We need to find x value as well as y value. So squaring on both the sides. Then it will be 9 is equal to 16 into 3x minus 2. Now bring this 16 into left side, then 9 divided by 16 is equal to 3x minus 2. After that, 3x equal to 9 divided by 16 plus 2. After that, 3x equal to, taking LCM, it will be 41 divided by 16. Then x equal to, what is x value? 41 divided by 48. After getting x value, put x equal to 41 divided by 48 in equation number 1, because we need y value also. Then it will be y is equal to square root of 3 into 41 divided by 48 minus 2. Now usual simplification, square root of 3 ones are 3 16s. Then it will be 41 divided by 16 minus 2. Now take LCM, square root of 41 minus 32. Whole thing divided by 16, that's equal to. Now 41 minus 32, it will be square root of 9 divided by 16. That is 3 divided by 4 only. 9. 41 minus 32 is 9. 3. Therefore, what is our point? 41 divided by 48, comma 3 divided by 4. This is our point. Now write the equation of the tangent, and this problem is very important for 3 marks. After getting point and slope, write the equation of tangent line. Now I will write equation of the tangent. Equation y minus y1 is equal to m1 into x minus x1. Then y minus, what is y1 here? 3 divided by 4. That's equal to, what is m1? 2 only. 2 into x minus x1. Now take LCM. 4y minus 3 is equal to, just cross multiplication, otherwise divide by 4. 2 into, take LCM, 48x minus 41 divided by 48. Then 4y minus 3 is equal to 4 into 2, just cross multiplication, 48x minus 41 divided by 48. 2 ones are 2, 24. 6 are. Now cross multiplication. 24y, because 6 into 4 minus 18 is equal to 48x minus 41. Now bring this into LHS, or else send it into RHS. Bring this term into right side, otherwise any one of the term. 48x minus 24y, send it to RHS, then it becomes plus 18, minus 41 plus 18 equal to 0. Then minus 41 plus 18, that is 23 only. 48x minus 24y plus 23 equal to 0. This is our required equation of the tangent line, right? This is one of the important 3-mark questions, students, right? First find slope and one of the point, then write its equation. Next problem. Next problem. Prove that the curves x equal to y square and xy equal to k cut at right angles. If 8k square is equal to 1. It is one of the very important 3-mark question. If these two curves are perpendicular to each other, then prove that 8k square equal to 1. Otherwise, if these two curves are perpendicular to each other, only when 8k square equal to 1. It is one of the important 3-mark question. Clearly, these two curves are perpendicular. Curves are perpendicular means their tangents are perpendicular, not only curves. Suppose this is one curve, this is another curve. These two curves are said to be perpendicular only when their tangents are perpendicular. This is tangent line, this is tangent line. This is curve 1 and this is curve 2. These two curves are perpendicular to each other, means angle between two curves is equal to 90 degree, means angle between their tangent lines is 90 degree. Curves are perpendicular means their tangents are perpendicular. Indirectly, curves are perpendicular means their tangents are perpendicular. Remember this point. Curves are cut orthogonally or cut at right angles. Means curves are perpendicular means their tangents are perpendicular. X is equal to y square, take it as first curve, and xy is equal to some constant k, take it as second curve. Now differentiate first curve as well as second curve with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Then 1 is equal to 2y into dy by dx. Then dy by dx equal to 1 divided by 2y. Then what is the slope of the tangent line to first curve? I will take it as m1. What is m1 value here? 1 divided by 2y. I will take slope of tangent to curve 1 as m1 and slope of tangent to curve 2 is m2. If you differentiate first curve, then you get slope of tangent to the first curve. If you differentiate second curve, then you get slope of tangent to second curve. Differentiate with respect to x, left hand side use product rule, first function as it is derivative of second function plus second function as it is differentiation of first function, and in right hand side we have a constant, its differentiation 0. dy by dx equal to minus y by x, and m2 it is slope of tangent to the curve 2 m2, and slope of the tangent to the first curve is m1, slope of the tangent to the curve is m2. And clearly they have given two curves are perpendicular to each other, or given two curves cut at right angles. Given two curves cut at right angles means their tangents are perpendicular. Once tangent lines are perpendicular, then their product of slopes equal to -1, right? Given that curve 1 is perpendicular to curve 2. Once two curves are perpendicular, then their tangents are perpendicular. Tangents are perpendicular means product of their slopes equal to -1. Once two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes equal to -1. Here we have m1 and m2. What is m1 in this case? 1 divided by 2y into what is m2? Minus y by x is equal to -1. Now y get cancelled. Then -1 divided by 2x equal to -1. Negative sign will be get cancelled. X equal to 1 divided by 2. X equal to 1 by 2, then what is y value? If x equal to 1 by 2, put it in equation number 1 or in 2. Then what is y value? Y is equal to 1 divided by root 2 only. Put x value 1 by 2 here in equation number 1, then y is equal to square root of 2. After getting x value and y value, put x equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 divided by root 2 in equation number 2, because our required proof should be in terms of k. Our required proof is in terms of k. For that reason, put x value and y value in equation number 2. Then it becomes 1 divided by 2 into 1 divided by root 2 is equal to 1. Sorry, not 1, equal to k. But our requirement is 8k square equal to 1, so squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. On squaring we get 1 divided by 8 equal to k square. Cross multiplication 8k square equal to 1. This is our required proof. What they have given is tangent. Curves are perpendicular to each other. Curves are perpendicular to each other means their tangent lines are perpendicular to each other. Tangent lines are perpendicular means product of their slopes equal to -1, and rearrangement and simplification. After simplification we get x value as well as y value. After getting x value and y value, put it in equation number 2, because our required expression should be in terms of k. For that reason, put x value and y value in equation number 2 and squaring on both the sides, we get required proof, that is 8k square equal to 1, which is one of the important 3-mark question. Okay. With this problem, I will stop today's class. Thank you.